Kettlebell side plank chest fly, a hybrid core stability and upper body. Strength movement, great for combining anti-rotation core control with unilateral chest and shoulder work. How to perform the kettlebell side plank chest fly. 1. Position yourself in a right side plank on a mat. Right forearm on the ground, elbow under shoulder. Right palm pressing into the mat for support. Feet stacked, legs extended. Hips and torso lifted off the mat, body in a diagonal straight. Line from head to heels, left arm extended vertically, above your shoulder, holding a kettlebell. Movement. 2. Slowly lower the kettlebell in your left hand in a chest fly motion. Elbow slightly bent, not locked. Control the descent until your arm is roughly parallel to the floor, or until the kettlebell is just above the mat, aligned with your chest. 3. Pause briefly, then squeeze your chest and bring the kettlebell back to the top position. 4. Maintain a strong, braced core and avoid letting your hips drop or rotate during the fly. Form tips. Start with a light kettlebell. This is a stability-intensive move. Keep the shoulder blades engaged and the movement slow and controlled. Maintain core tension throughout to resist rotation or collapse. Muscles worked. Primary muscles. Pectoralis major, chest, responsible for the fly movement. Anterior deltoid, front shoulder, assists with arm movement. Core muscles, anti-rotation and stabilization. Obliques, especially internal-external obliques, to resist rotation and maintain side plank. Transverse abdominis, deep core stability. Rectus abdominis, stabilizes torso and maintains plank line. Quadratus lumborum, QL, supports side plank and prevents hip sag. Shoulder stabilizers, rotator cuff muscles, SPR in supporting shoulder. Stabilize the shoulder joint, trapezius and rhomboids, mid-back. Aid in scapular control during the fly. Lower body stabilizers, gluteus medius and minimus. Keep hips lifted and aligned. Adductors, inner thighs, help maintain stacked legs position. Calves and perineals, help stabilize the feet and prevent rolling. Modifications or progressions, easier. Do it with knees bent, modified side plank, harder. Add a pause at the bottom of the fly or use a heavier kettlebell. Advanced, add a slow tempo or try alternating. Reps with brief torso rotation control. Please check my next video.